Let's discuss pass by value and pass by reference in JavaScript. So, both of these methods, pass by value and pass by reference, are pass function ways to pass arguments to function parameters when we call them. So first, let's see pass by value. So pass whenever we pass the arguments when arguments to a function, and that argument is a primitive data type, then that argument is basically passed by value. It means that the argument which we are passing, the uh, and when it will be called, a new copy of that value will be passed to the function. So like the variable which we are passing and the variable which is received by the function, both are separate instances but the value of them is same. So let's see with an example. I have declared a variable a, and my function pass by value, which takes one argument value, and inside that I am changing, inside the function I am changing the value of the initial variable which I had declared outside a. I'm changing it from 10 to 11. So since we discussed, as this value a is being passed by value, a new copy of this of a new copy of the variable a is created, and it is passed as a parameter to this function. So changing the value of a inside this function will not affect the new variable, the value. So when I log a and value, both will give me different answers. So like value will give me 10, and a will give me 11 since I have changed. But this doesn't change the uh, new value, basically the copied value. So this is the concept of pass by value. All the primitive data types are passed by value. Let's just see this. Um, yeah. So as expected, our output, we have got the a has changed from 10 to 11, but value remains same as well when we had passed the value was 10, right? So this is the concept of pass by value. Now let's see the concept of pass by reference. So pass by reference is basically for object types in JavaScript. Whenever we pass an object as the function, as an argument to the function, then that object is passed by reference. It means that the pointer, we can we can like think it as a pointer that is being passed as an argument to this function, not a copy of that object, of that object is being passed. So as we can see, I've created a object obj in which I have created a variable x as a property and assigned a value 50, and then I'm calling this method pass by reference obj. I'm passing this object here, and in the I have defined the function pass by reference in which I'm taking one parameter ref, and now I am modifying the value of this new variable which I have defined as the parameter of this function. uh, Basically I'm modifying the x parameter of this new variable, and then I am logging the value of ref. So uh, yeah, so ideally the since I have changed this x, so that this will give me the change value. I'll also console log uh, obj. So this will give us a confirmation that upon changing the refer- uh, upon changing the x value from the referenced, from the new variable, it also changes the value of the original variable. So this is the concept of pass by reference. Like the reference of the object is passed, but not a copy of that object is passed. We'll just try to run this and see. Yeah, so both of this is giving me the same output. This means when I have changed the value of x from this new parametered variable, it has also changed the original variable. So this is the concept of pass by reference. So in a nutshell, we can say that the type of the variable we are passing as an argument will decide whether the variable is being passed by value or passed by reference.